the rag top down. Sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around. And I just laughed and said, y'all get in. She had on a dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. She said, what you wanna do, baby, I don't care. We can go to the show, we can stare out here, and I can take you for a ride. A big green tractor, we can go slow, make it go faster. Woods, down through the pasture, as long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Said we can fire it up and I can show you around. Sit up on the hill and watch the sun go down. The fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out. We can turn on the lights and head back to the house, and he can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, make it go faster, down through the woods, now through the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Just let me dust off the seat. And put your pretty little arms around me. Hell yeah. You can climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Oh yeah, yeah. Go another round. On my big green tractor.